like any tips that you have for, I mean, you went in and did some stuff to your laundromat. Did that help the reputation of it? Did you have to do anything else for that?
Oh, well, I mean, it just kind of, it's nothing unique that hasn't been said on here on a lot of different articles about laundromats of clean, safe, fresh coat of paint that you touch up on a regular basis. That goes a long way. And we're also in a situation where social media can be just a hugely powerful tool, both ways. I mean, in a positive or a negative light. So we kind of put a little bit of Facebook work into play, and we're blessed to have lots of friends that are active and would recommend us. And you also have the God bless it, the small town touch of, hey, did you hear so-and-so bought the laundromat? Hey, they're doing this, it kind of, people talk. There's not a lot going on, so people talk. So you kind of use that to your advantage, I guess.
Yeah, I like that. We don't get a whole lot of that small town talk, over here in LA. People are,
right.
Nobody knows who anybody is. Nobody knows their neighbors. So,
right.
Yeah, no, definitely an advantage there of the small town. Well, I mean, because I think that's huge. And I think the social media component is a big one and is more utilized now than it has been for sure in the past, but I still think largely underutilized as a marketing tool for laundromats. And we're still, as an industry, we're still wrapping our heads around the whole marketing side of things. Most of us. Yeah. And so, but man, the social media, you're right, has that power.